children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I came back with the revision on time, children. Yes, children. Here, once you see these points and have a look at that watch, children. Here, see in that watch some hands, three different types of hands you have, children. The smaller one is there. The smaller hand shows the hours, children, and the longer hand is there. But in the two long hands are there, children. And one is in with the red and one is thin, children. Okay, so the longer hand shows the minutes and the thinner hand shows the seconds, children. Come to this point. Long hand shows minutes and the small hand shows hours and thin hand shows seconds. As well as what you have in that picture, once you observe carefully, children, you have the numbers also. Okay, so 1 to 12 numbers you have. Okay, around that some numbers are there from 0 to 60 again. Okay, first 1 to 12, which are the hours, children, and 0 to 60 you have around the 1 to 12, children. So those are the minutes. Okay, so here the watch, whatever showing in that watch, hour numbers which are 1 to 12 and minutes number which are 0 to 60, and the small hand which shows the hours and the long hand which shows the minutes and the thin hand which shows the seconds. Yes, children, have a look at these watches. What we need to do with these watches? What is the time? We need to write the time for it, children. Come on, here you see, let's write the time for it. Now you see, the hour hand is showing 8. Yes, the minute hand is showing exactly 12 o'clock. So, when the minute hand shows exactly 12 o'clock, it will be o'clock, children. Means, the hour, it depends on the hour hand. It is showing the 8 or no. So, how we can write that time is 8 o'clock. Okay, the time we can write it as a 8 o'clock. The hour hand is showing 8 and the minute hand, when it is showing exactly 12, we need to write o'clock or else 8 colon 00 minutes. Okay, minutes hands will be 0 at the place of 00. Okay, coming to here and have a look at this, children. When the minute hand is rotating, if that is showing exactly 12, there will be 00 minutes or else o'clock, or else we can take it as an o'clock. Okay, when the minute hand means longer hand, children, if it shows the 1, then you need to take 5 minutes. If it is showing the 2, so there you need to take 10 minutes. And here 15 minutes, here 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. Okay, if the minute hand shows the timings which are there, outer numbers which shows the minutes. Okay, now coming to this watch, see here the hour hand is not showing exactly 11, not showing exactly 12. It is lying between 11 and 12. Yes, it is lying between 11 and 12. Means it crossed 11, but it till now it didn't reach the 12, children. Means still it is 11 hours only. Still it is in the 11 hours only. Means the hour hand is lying between 11 and 12, but till now it didn't reach the 12 o'clock no children. 12 no children. So you have to take the hours as a 11 only. Now coming to the minute hand. Minute hand is showing 8. 8 means how many minutes I told you here? 8 showing means 40 minutes. Okay, longer hand, nothing but the longer hand when it shows the minutes 8. You should not take 8 minutes, children. So the minute numbers will be outer side, which I wrote here. So the minute hand is showing 8. 8 means how many minutes here? 40 minutes. So 11:40. The time will be 11:40. And coming to this, or else 11:40. Coming to this watch, children, see here the hour hand. First, have a look at the hour hand. Hour hand is lying between 10 and 10. 9 and 10, children. 9 and 10. Okay. It is not showing exactly 9. It is not showing exactly 10. So it is lying between 9 and 10. So still it is 9 hours only. Till now it didn't reach the 10. So 9 hours. And minutes hand, longer hand is showing 3. 3 nothing but how many minutes here? 15 minutes. So 9:15. And when you have the 15 minutes, then here you can write in the one more way also. 15 minutes nothing but 1:45. And here after 9 o'clock it crossed 15 minutes. Means after 9 it completed the 15 minutes. So we can write completed nothing but here we can take it as a past. So 15 minutes past. 9 also we can write. Okay. This time we can write it as a 15 minutes past 9. Means after 9 o'clock, after cross, 15 minutes it crossed, children. Okay, after 9 o'clock, it crossed only 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes past 9. 15 minutes nothing but here, 1:45. Quarter past. Okay, 9:15 means 15 minutes it crossed after 9. And coming to this watch, children, here, have a look at here. What's the time here? The hour hand is lying between 8 and 9. So still it is in the 8 hours only. The minute hand, longer hand is showing here 9 o'clock at 9. At 9 means how many minutes here? 45 minutes here. Longer hand is showing 45 minutes. Okay. So it's 8:45. And once you observe carefully, children, here to here 5 minutes, here to here 5 minutes, here to here 5 minutes. Means 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Still here also we have 15 minutes to go to the next hour. Okay. Here 15 minutes passed away. And here 15 minutes to go. Okay. Still 15 minutes is left to go for next hour. So how we can write here? 15 minutes to 2. Not completed. We should go. Okay. To what hour? Next hour. Next hour is what? 9. Okay. So next hour is 9. So 15 minutes to 9. Or else you can write 9. Okay. So 15 minutes is there to reach the 9 o'clock. And coming to this watch, children, have a look at this watch here. Now for journal time. The hour hand is lying between 3 and 4. So 3. And the minute hand is showing 6. The minute hand is showing 6 means how many minutes here? 30 minutes. So 30. So 3:30. The time is 3:30, children. And this one you can write into the one more way. So here half. It is showing the 30 minutes nothing but half of the hour has completed. So we can write here 30 minutes past 3. 30 minutes past 3 means 30 minutes has completed after 3 o'clock. Okay. Or else you can write half past. 30 minutes means half, children. Half past 3. You can write it as a half past 3 also. So these are the watches and these are the timings, children. Yes, children. Now let's show the time in this given watches, children. First time is what they given? 4:45 means 4 after it crossed the 45. First arrange 4:45 means the hour hand still it is 4 o'clock but it is time is there to reach 5 o'clock means 4 crossed here. 4 crossed 45 minutes means the hour hand should lie between the 4 and 5. Why? Because 4 after some minutes has given here. So the hour hand should cross 4 and 5 means it should lie between the 4 and 5. Hour hand means short hand. And 45 minutes. 45 minutes already I told you, children. How to take the 45 minutes? Here 0, 0, here 0, 5, here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 45 minutes. It is showing here 45 minutes here, no? Nothing but it should show the 9 here. So the hour hand should lie between the 4 and 5. Why? Because 4 after it crashed. Okay. So 4 after it crashed, it should lie between the 4 and 5, and it will be nearer to 9 here, nearer to 5 o'clock children. See, only 15 minutes is there to reach the 5. Means it should be nearer to 5 but not exactly on the 5. And the minute hand should show exactly on the 9. Okay. And coming to this time, 6:25 means 6 o'clock after it crashed to 25 minutes. Means the hour hand should lie between the 6 and 7. It crashed the 6. Some minutes has given after 6. So it crashed the 6. Means it should lie between the 6 and 7 here. And it should lie between the 6 and 7. And 25 minutes. 25 minutes nothing but it is 5 children. So the minute hand should show 5. Okay. So the hour hand should lie between the 6 and 7. The minute hand should show 5. Why? Because 5 nothing but 25 minutes. Okay. This is a way to show the given time in the watches. Yes children, I hope you understood the time revision children. Practice well. I am going to conduct the test next day here. So practice well. All the best children. Thank you.